Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Scarlett. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, we are going to try spaghetti and meatballs. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this recipe. The last time I cooked spaghetti and meatballs, I think it was around 2020 there during corona nikiwa home bado. So this is my second time na try. Now I tried to look for ready-made meatballs, but apparently zilikuwa zimeisha, so tunaanza from scratch, though I'm not going to put all the ingredients because sijapata na pia sitaki niharibu kama venye tuliharibu samosa, so I'll just put a little bit here for trial, then maybe next time hoping tutapata kwa supermarket and then we cook it ready-made. We've already done our spaghetti, tusha boil already, so tunataka tuanze meatballs from scratch. Sawa guys, so let's get into the video. So guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to use. Here is our minced meat. Itabidi tuanze from scratch, though I'm not going to put everything that naona watu wakieka. So in my kuchanganya hii nitaweka tu spices. I think I'll put a little bit of black pepper, oregano na garam masala peke yake. Then this is our tomato paste. This is our onion paste because tunataka kutengeneza paste ya kuweka kwa spaghetti na kuchanganya na meatballs. Okay, so this is our plate that we are going to put our meatballs, the one that we are making. So the first thing we are going to do, and here is our spaghetti already boiled, but tuko kwa our paste. So the first thing we are going to do is to make those meatballs. I'm going to make the easiest meatballs. Juu nimekasirika sijapata kwa supermarket. So the first thing I'll put is my oregano. Juu nimeona watu wanaiweka. So I'll put a little bit oregano. After our oregano nitaweka garam masala kidogo tu, because I don't know if this thing is very spicy. Then I'll put a black pepper kidogo pia because ina ni kali na kuna mtoto kwa nyumba. So kidogo tu peke yake. Then from there I'll put a little bit of our danias or coriander. Then I'll mix them. Acha ni mix na kijiko. So these are the meatballs that we have done. Hi guys, look at that. Very, look at that. It is very nice. Very nice. Okay, so these are the meatballs that we are going to make. Please, usiangalie curtain, angalia meatballs, angalia results za hapa. Okay, sawa guys. Haya. So next, oh my goodness. Okay, next we are going to fry them. Then from there we make now our paste. Pole tu. Today we are doing it together. Kuna kukat. Sawa. Good. let me tell you guys, very soon, as in sooner than you think, nitawa surprise with something in this kitchen. So usione ukaangalia kikacheni kyangu kinakaa hivi ukadhani huyu msichana kichwa yake si mzuri, but pole tu, but very soon, very soon guys, ndawa surprise. Sawa. So tungoje paste yetu iive, then from there we put our spaghetti, alafu tunanyunyuzia ni kunyunyuzia ama kunyunyuzia dania kwenye paste yetu. Sawa, je tungoje. So guys, there is our point them. Look, onyesha. This is our outcome of our spaghetti and meatballs. Let me see. Hata sijui kama imeiva ndani. Let one. Imeiva ndani. It is so sweet. Try.
These are too hot. Too hot again.
Sawa guys, imeiva. Kitu cha muhimu ni bora imeiva na inaweza ekeka kwa tumbo. Okay, though nimefinya salt, so I think they'll just add it kwa meza. But so far so good. I cannot complain. I have tried. Please, if you want to judge me in the comment section. But so far so good. I cannot complain. So see you in the next video as we try other recipes, and as they backfire on us and everything, as long as we try and as long as you can put it in the stomach. Bora tumbo isituume. Sawa guys. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.